a crime or was seen to have cancer.
Your daughter has cancer of the brain.
Is she going to die?
I don't care. Just tell me, this and this belongs to you. Simple.
I want to ask for a hand in marriage.
Then promise me that you will always be there for my daughter.
Brain tumor with pregnancy, it can cause more harm.
Be prepared.
You're the only one I have.
If it's possible, just take away everything of mine and give me life.
Keep the family's strong reputation.
I can never forget the ones you last told me. I no longer wonder why my dad left you.
You're going to die.
You're such an evil woman.
You kill her.
It's a good idea.
The man I loved and trusted so much has turned against me.
Sensational.
I really want to know more about you.
I think I might be in love. Does he know of your illness? I don't know how to tell him.
When did you last talk to God and he told you you're dying so?
I have brain cancer.
I love you.
There has to be ways or something, unless you want me to die with her.
Is property more important than your daughter's life?
I'm not going to die.
Father, if you gave me Rita as my wife, I pray that you change her punishment. She's going through a lot of pain, and there is nothing you can give me in this world. I will always love you.
Leave me here. I'm stuck in my last days with no one to hold my hand.